If your GE top-load washer is not spinning, displaying error codes, or stopping mid-cycle, the main control could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and that know how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. Today we'll need a 5/16 inch nut driver, a 1/4 inch nut driver, and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your top load washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Use a 1/4 inch nut driver to remove the 3 screws securing the top of the console. Rotate the console forward to expose the control board. Locate the 3-pin connector labeled J7. Plug in the power cord and grab your multimeter. Set the washer to a drain and spin cycle and start it. Extreme care should always be taken when testing live voltage. Electric shock can cause serious injury. If you're uncomfortable using a multimeter around live power, please do not proceed with this test. Set your meter to volts DC. This is indicated by a V with a dotted or dashed line. Place the black meter probe on the red wire at connector J7 and leave it there. Touch the red probe to the blue wire. You should see 12.8 volts DC. Next, move the red probe to the yellow wire. You should see a pulsing voltage. If either voltage is missing, the main control has failed. If both are present, something else is causing your washer to not spin. If you're unsure how to use a multimeter, we put together a helpful tutorial. Check out the link in the description for step-by-step instructions. Here's how to replace it. We're removing the knobs from the console and setting them to the side. We're disconnecting the wires. We're grabbing our 5/16 inch nut driver and removing the mounting screws from the main control selector assembly, which includes the selector control. With the screws removed, we're lifting the boards out. Here's the old main control assembly and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're setting the main control assembly into the console and securing it with the screws we removed. We're connecting the wires. We're installing the back console panel, securing it with the 2 screws on the inside, and then rotating the console into place. We're securing them together with the screws we removed at the beginning. We're inserting the knobs onto the stems. We're plugging the power supply cord in, and with that, we're done. Great job tackling the main control replacement on your GE top-load washer. We'd love to hear how the repair process went for you, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you found that you still need a new main control, just grab your washer's model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days. Thank you for choosing us to guide you through your repair, and we look forward to helping you with more do-it-yourself projects in the future.